In order to give some boost to the eyes, go to the Eyes section and click on Brightness feature. Now paint on the eyes to reveal the effect. Brush on the iris and reveal the luminosity like this. Keep the effect subtle, no need to overdo it. In a similar way, we can add some glow to the lips. Open the lips sections and choose Glow. Paint as before on the layer mask and reveal the glow on the lips. Now get back to the Eyes section and press Color. This will create a layer which will allow you to change the color of the eyes. Feel free to choose the color you like the most and reveal it as usual, brushing on the layer mask. Brush on the iris to decide where the color must appear, then double-click on the layer icon and change the color according to your taste. Lower the opacity to get a natural-looking color. Now head over the Eyes section and choose Details. This will add more details and a crispy look to any part of your image. Feel free to experiment also with the other tools in the eyes, lips and hair sections.